Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. When I first started using Excel, my sheets were ugly. Random fonts, broken tables, messy colors, and I was wasting hours just trying to make things look okay. Today, I'll show you 6 formatting tricks I wish I knew on day 1. Let's jump in. Tip 1. Use F4 to repeat your last action. Imagine this. You highlight one cell in yellow, and then you need to do the same for more. Most people keep clicking the color button again and again. Here's the faster way. Format the first cell normally. Now select the next cell and press F4 on your keyboard. Excel repeats your last action. Change a border, press F4. Bold a heading, press F4. Anytime you're repeating the same formatting again and again, remember, don't click 20 times, press F4. Tip 2. Copy formatting the smart way. Format Painter. Sometimes one part of your sheet looks perfect, and the rest looks like chaos. First tool, Format Painter. Click on a cell that looks the way you want. Go to the Home tab and double-click the Format Painter brush. Now click on all the messy cells. Excel copies the style. Now, move on to Tip 3, Use of Cell Style. You have given some data, and you want to add colors in it and change fonts. Instead of doing it separately, let's do it with Cell Style. In Home tab, go to Cell Style option. Click any one you want, and if you want to generate it by yourself, you can also do it. Click on New Cell Style. Next, go to Format, then go to Fill. Click Color of your choice. Then again, if you want to go to Border, choose the style you want, and below, you change color as well. Click OK. Then, if you want to change font, simply click it and choose of your own type. Click again, Cell Style, and the style you created by your own is here. Now, move ahead to Tip 4, Center Across Selection. We have given some data, and now we want the heading of it in center. So if we apply Merge and Center, it won't work that way. So we are using this trick. Click the range of cells where you want the text center. Press Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cell menu. Then go to Alignment. Under Horizontal Alignment, select Center Across option and click OK, and boom, you have your text right in center. Now let's discuss our 5th tip, that is, use of conditional formatting to highlight duplicate values. Suppose we have given some data and we want to highlight duplicate values. We simply select the whole data. In Home tab, we go to Conditional Formatting. We select the very first option, Highlight Cell Rules. Then we go to Duplicate Values, and our values highlighted instantly. No need to check or highlight again and again. In the same way, we also use conditional formatting to find greater or less than values. We simply click Conditional Highlighting. Select First option, then select Less than, and type the value we want. Also, we can change color. Click OK, and the values less than 4,000 are highlighted instantly. So we can use conditional formatting for multi-purpose. Now we are moving on to our last tip, that is, cell formatting. We are given some names and also their age, like 45, 27. And we have to write years with it. Instead of doing it manually, we simply select the first cell in Home tab, go to Number, then go to Custom. In Type bar, we type like this. Add inverted commas, then years between them, and click OK. Drag the fill hand down, and we have our age in years. No manual typing needed. So in this video, we have learned 6 useful tricks like use of F4 key, Format Painter, Cell Style, Center Across Selection, conditional formatting, and cell formatting. Use these tricks to enhance your Excel features. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.